Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm just great. And you?
Good, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Shubham.
Okay.
And what about
And
you,
my name is Rebecca.
Rebecca? Okay.
Yes. And where are you from?
I'm from India.
Cool. You still
Yeah.
live in India?
Yeah, I still live in India.
What area?
It's a state of Rajasthan and the city of Jaipur. Right now I'm living here. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I don't know very many places in India, but I traveled to Saudi Arabia, Egypt, and UAE. I
Oh,
didn't travel to India because I did not have time, but I want to travel there. I don't know where the best places to
I think
go.
I think you should come here because it's a great place instead of Middle East.
Really? Instead
Yeah.
of the middle?
Yeah,
Okay. Why?
yeah,
Why
yeah.
do you think?
It's a diverse country. If you go to the north, you will get something. If you go to south, you will get something. It's
Yeah.
all. It's you will get a desert. You will get a Himalayas. You will get a it's ocean. You will get all of things there.
Yes, this
Yeah,
is something that, like, when I was younger and I would think about India, I would think about like the same thing, like all over the place, the same thing. But I know India is so diverse. It is
yeah.
so
It's
different. You
yeah,
have you have every different kind of landscape and ecosystem. You have
yeah,
forests and mountains and
yeah.
beaches, and desert.
Every,
You have everything.
everything. You will get
I'm so
everything.
jealous. I'm
Okay.
so jealous.
So Rebecca, what do you do apart from this Cambly?
Apart from this, I'm a student. I'm studying to be a doctor.
Okay.
So I've been studying for 4 years, and I have to study for 4 more years. So I'm right in the middle of my education, and teach a little on Cambly. I speak Spanish, and I also teach Spanish as a second language.
Okay.
So this is at a local school in my area. I teach Spanish. Cambly, I just teach on Cambly because I hate being bored and I love meeting new people. So I was like, this
So,
is the best thing.
so you are medical students. I love to talk to with his medical student, because
Yes.
yeah, I'm engineer. I'm mechanical engineer, and
Oh,
apart from I teach mathematics as well. It's my side hustle. But nowadays
that's,
I'm stuck at home because due to COVID.
of course, everyone is stuck at home.
so
It's
so
terrible.
where did you go at the university? Which university did you study at?
I study in Augusta at the Medical
Okay.
College of Georgia.
Yeah. I heard that. It's a medical
You
college.
know this place?
Yeah. I heard that my one of my friend.
It's so
Actually,
boring.
she wanted to go there to medical for medical
Why?
study.
Why? It's so boring. Tell her don't come to Augusta. Tell her to go to like Florida or California or
Is it
something.
in Georgia? I think. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly.
Yeah. Actually, I heard that.
Well, good luck to her if she comes to Georgia, but try to encourage her. Don't come here. It's boring.
So
Go somewhere else.
yeah. So Rebecca, everywhere is COVID. So you are medical student. So do you think? Do you still trust on WHO because your president is saying something every
Do
day?
I
Just,
still what? Say that
uh,
one more time.
do you still trust on WHO? Your
No.
president is your because your president is saying something all the time.
Uh, so because I don't know.
Okay.
I feel a lot of different kinds of ways about the coronavirus, but for the most part, I think that people are overreacting.
Yeah.
Personally, that is just my personal
Person.
opinion. I think that people are freaking out and they're so upset and they're so worried, and I don't think that we should be so upset and so worried because we can't just stop life because we have a sickness, because there's
Yeah.
always going to be new sicknesses, there's always going to be things like this that will happen, and we can't shut down
Yeah.
the entire world for this. So
Yeah.
that is
Yeah.
important.
People are devastating by the losing of their jobs and you kind of stuff. And we have been experienced a period of loneliness as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just want it to be over. I'm so tired of it. I'm so tired of
Yeah.
it. It's just ridiculous. I was sick with the coronavirus 2 months ago.
But your president, Mr. Trump, is say all the time about WHO, China. I'm very frightened. If the if is consistently say about the China and WHO, I think the world war kind of stuff can happen. He's.
I don't know. I don't.
Do you like a Trump?
Not really. Not really. I don't think.
You know,
I don't think very.
the whole world is don't want to come back is Trump.
Exactly. Yes.
You,
I don't
yeah,
listen. I don't think anyone likes Trump. He's not a very good person. But
yeah,
also, he talks a lot, but I don't think that he's actually going to do anything. You know what I'm saying? Like he talks so much, but
yeah.
he is stupid.
My father say all the time to me, Shubham, is the Trump is, when he speak about coronavirus, China, he don't know. He doesn't know about what he's
He
saying.
literally just
During
talks.
the,
Literally.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah,
That's exactly right. He literally just speaks to say words, but they don't make any sense. He doesn't even know what he's saying. He's just talking. And he's ridiculous.
okay.
He's ridiculous.
Okay, so Rebecca, you're a medical student, so I want to ask you once the vaccines will make it, it's the phase all the complete, so you will take it.
What was the question? Sorry?
Once a vaccine will come in across the world, so you will take it. Vaccine about it's COVID-19.
Probably not because I have already been sick. I had the
Yeah.
coronavirus 1 month ago. So
Oh,
yeah, so
so
I think I will be okay. I don't know, but maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know anything.
yeah. Yeah, actually, I asked my friend. They just said, we don't want a COVID-19 vaccine because we have herd immunity. So I think the aging people, older people are particularly vulnerable
Yeah.
to the COVID-19.
Yeah, older
Yeah.
people, maybe.
So they really want it.
Exactly. People who are like already sick with some sort of heart disease or something like this. I think these people might need to, look at taking the vaccine. But I don't think
Yeah.
that everyone should take the vaccine because, for example, I am healthy, I am young, I don't have any kind of conditions or anything. I have a good immune system. And when I was sick, I was fine. And I know a lot of people, get very sick, but when I was sick, I was totally fine. I didn't feel very good, but I was fine. So I'm
So
not
your yeah. So your body made already a COVID-19 antibodies. So you have herd immunity.
right. So why do I need the vaccine? That's what I'm thinking. So I don't know. I don't know.
What did you feel there at that time then when you affected by the COVID-19?
How did I feel?
It's a yeah.
Well, the first 2 days, I was like, my arms and my legs were like hurting. Like I was really, really sore. And then on the third or fourth day, I was just feeling really like nauseous, like kind of sick. But I didn't have a fever and my throat didn't hurt. So I wasn't worried about it being the coronavirus. And then I went to the hospital to see what was wrong because it wouldn't go away. It just kept going on and on. And they tested me for coronavirus and it was positive. And after about 1 week, I was better. But the only thing that I felt was I felt tired. I felt a little bit sick and my body was hurting. But
Yeah.
other than this, I didn't have a fever. I didn't have, a sore throat.
I think you do a exercise every day.
I do.
That kind of stuff. I think actually, yeah. My father say to me often say to me, if you exercise every day, so I think the COVID-19 won't come in your body. It never can get into your body. So
Yeah,
I think yeah. Actually, I do dance every day because I'm big into dance.
Good.
Yeah, that's why.
What kind of dance do you do?
Yeah, I do a hip hop, but in terms of Bollywood. Yeah, it's a mixture of the Bollywood and hip hop.
Okay, that's
I like.
awesome.
Yeah,
I'm a
yeah,
terrible dancer. So I am always impressed by people who are really good at dancing because I'm so bad.
yeah. Yeah, I used to dance in my college as well. I was good there, but nowadays, I've been studying. I like to. I'm looking for a. I mean, I'm pursuing a mechanical engineering due to artificial intelligence and machine learning, so that kind of stuff. So it's productive my life nowadays.
Yeah.
But I give my time at least 30 minutes and 1 hour. It's perfect.
Good for
That's
you. Yes, it is very important to stay
yeah.
healthy and all of that. It's very important. So good for you. So you said you were studying engineering?
Yeah, and actually, I have done my BTech degree in 2015,
Okay.
and after that, I'm teaching. I have been teaching for mathematics for high school students in institute, and I am also looking pursuing a high study because
Okay.
and even in by this now this year I'm going to buy a course of programming language of machine learning and artificial intelligence by from Michigan University. That's yeah.
Okay, good for you. That's awesome.
Yeah.
So have you ever traveled internationally before?
No, I have never before. I
You
teach.
want to?
Yeah, I want to.
I-
Yeah, I will after this pandemic
exactly.
because yeah, I have been changing myself and during this lockdown and learning a new things and also enhancing my skills, English skills. So yeah, I will come.
Good.
Yeah, I
Good.
will go.
I also want to travel again. I would love to travel to India, but you have to tell me where are the best places to go? Where should I travel to?
Yeah,
Because it is a huge country, so I don't know
yeah,
where
it's a
to
huge
start.
country. I think the one person is can't go to the India for one particular place. They have to. I think they have to stay there at least 1 month. Then we'll cover all the places of India. So I think the best place in India is a magnificent place where I live is Jaipur city. Is the Rajasthan first.
Okay.
And there is a lot of foreigners is they go to the Goa
Mhm.
and they also go yeah Goa. It's just in the south part and also for the Himalayas. If you go to if you like to riding, if you like to riding, so you should go to the Himalayas in Ladakh and Leh Ladakh, and there's a lot of people
Okay.
to go there, and it's a highest road trip in the
Really?
around yeah, it's across the world.
What is it called again?
Ladakh, Leh Ladakh.
How do you spell this? Okay, thank you. Because I would not have known. Hold on, I want to look.
Great place. It's a magnificent place. You will fascinating when you
Wow. This is
yeah.
beautiful.
So
Wow. Also, like, obviously, the mountains are beautiful, but the water, oh my gosh, is so beautiful.
yeah, a lot of quite a few Russian peoples go to the Goa because is there is in Russia is every time to snow is a cold there, so that's why they go to the beach on in particular they come to India.
Mhm. Okay, that's awesome. Wow, very cool. Well, I will
Yeah.
have to add this to my list of places to travel one day. I think the list is very long now.
In across the world, a lot of tourists, a lot of foreign people come to India. I think this is a great place, so you should go. You
I
should come.
agree. I agree. I've heard that the culture is very rich in India. Like there's culture
Yeah,
everywhere.
yeah. And it's in India it has a different languages. There are a lot of different languages
Exactly.
and hundred of dialects as well.
Yes, this is something that I just learned also because I didn't know that there were so many different languages spoken. Like I had no idea. I thought it was mostly all the same.
Yeah, Hindi. They speak in Hindi.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the Indian native language Hindi. Yeah, India.
Amazing. Amazing. Well, I hope to travel there one day. And it was so
Yeah,
nice to meet you and to talk to you.
and nice to meet you too.
Thank
And
you.
thank you for talking. Thank you for talking with me today.
Of course, of course. I hope to see you again, but if I don't see
Yeah,
you
yeah,
again, good luck with
yeah.
everything.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.